Hi, my name is Erica Yackel, and I am from the state of New York. What my life looked like before Proofread Anywhere, I was just trying to find something that would help me get started on what I wanted to do, which was proofreading. And when I finally came across Proofread Anywhere, my first impression initially was I was skeptical because of everything else that I have tried in the past that didn't work or didn't give me what I needed to succeed. And and then afterwards, I thought it was pretty cool, and I enjoyed the workshop, and it was very in-depth, and I appreciated that, and I thought it was a good start. Um, what resonated with me the most were definitely the videos in each course, because I felt like there was somebody with me each and every time, or every time I progressed. And I also enjoy the community as well. Um, the actions that I did take, I made sure that I kept going and I didn't give up because I felt like this was an awesome opportunity. Um, in my life now, it has a definitely positive outlook because now I have the confidence and I have the means to, and I know what I'm doing. I started Fiverr, and I'm also starting up my website. So far, I've made $100, and I think that's, it's a start. It's pretty awesome, and I would definitely recommend Caitlin because it's a life-changing thing. It's not a get-rich-fast scheme, and it's not a lie that everybody else seems to be putting out there. It's definitely legitimate, and they're always there. It's an awesome community, so yes, I recommend it.